there, stress warriors!
Are you feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just plain stressed out? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, millions of Americans are struggling with their mental health. But don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we're diving into 10 game-changing mental health hacks that will help you tackle anxiety and stress head-on. These aren't your average tips. We're talking real, actionable strategies that can transform your life. So grab your favorite comfort drink, get cozy, and let's dive in. 1. The 4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Feeling anxious? 1. Try this mind-blowing hack. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. 1. This simple exercise can snap you out of anxiety in seconds. Power pose your way to confidence. Channel your inner superhero. 2. Spend just 2 minutes in a power pose. Think Wonder Woman or Superman stance to boost your confidence and lower stress hormones. 2. It's scientifically proven to work. 3. The 4-7-8 breathing trick. This breathing technique is like a natural tranquilizer for your nervous system. 3. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. 3. Do this for just 5 minutes a day and watch your stress melt away. 4. Embrace the worry time hack. Schedule a daily 15-minute worry time. 4. When anxious thoughts pop up during the day, jot them down and save them for your designated worry time. 4. It's like meal prepping for your worries. 5. The 3-3-3 rule for instant calm when anxiety hits. Follow the 3-3-3 rule. Name 3 things you see, 3 sounds you hear, and move 3 parts of your body. 5. It's a quick reset button for your brain. 6. Laugh your stress away. Did you know that laughing can lower your stress hormones and boost feel-good chemicals in your brain? 6. Cue up your favorite comedy show or funny cat videos. Doctor's orders. 7. The surprising power of cold showers. Brace yourself for this one. 7. A 30-second cold shower can boost your mood, increase alertness, and even strengthen your immune system. 7. It's like a reset button for your entire body and mind. 8. Mind-body magic with progressive muscle relaxation. This technique is like a massage for your mind. 8. Tense and then relax each muscle group in your body, starting from your toes and working your way up. 8. It's a full-body stress detox. 9. Hack your happiness with a gratitude journal. Spend just 5 minutes each day writing down 3 things you're grateful for. 9. This simple habit can rewire your brain for positivity and resilience. 9. It's like a daily vitamin for your mental health. 10. The 2-minute rule for productivity. Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? 10. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. 10. It's a small change that can make a big difference in managing stress and anxiety. There you have it, folks. 10 powerful mental health hacks that can help you crush anxiety and stress. Remember, taking care of your mental health is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Which of these hacks are you excited to try first? If you found these tips helpful, don't keep them to yourself. Share this video with someone who might need it. And hey, why not challenge yourself to try 1 new hack each day for the next 10 days? Drop a comment below letting us know which tip you're starting with, and come back to share your results. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest mental health tips and tricks. Together we can build a stronger, healthier, and happier community.